If you are interested to get Replit Core for 1 month, so watch this video till end, okay? Hello guys, hope you doing well. In today's video, I will show you how you can get Replit Core for 1 month. So you can see there I have applied promo code, and now I need to enter card details and address details to grab this offer. And you can see there is total due today is $00. Okay, the actual price of this is $20, and we are going to get this Replit Core for $0, okay, using promo code. So if you need promo codes, you can join my WhatsApp community. Okay, my WhatsApp community link provided the pin comment of this video. You can check the comments, okay, and you can see there is a link, so you can join that, okay. And if you like my videos and if you want more promo codes, kindly join the community and add your friends. You can add members in my community. If you are friends and you are in the same field, you can add them too in my community, okay. Thank you. You can see there I am going to enter details. Now I'm enter fake address details here, and just this is the random address or fake address, not real, okay. Simply random name. Now we need to enter card details here, okay. So I will use my own card, that is Visa card. So simply add your own card and use that card in which you have zero balance, okay. Don't maintain the balance, otherwise that balance will be deducted after 1 month. After 1 month, that will be charged $20. So remember that, avoid this, okay. If you have a zero balance credit card or debit card, so you can use that too. If you need accounts, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. Now enter expiry date, and I have entered CVC number, security code number, and now I clicked on process, and you can see there this is in processing. Let's see what will happen. It's in running. Now the Visa is asking for verification, transaction verification, okay. So this will send code on number, so I need to enter the code which I have received on my number. Simply after enter the code, click on submit, and it's in process. If you like my videos, please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends, and don't forget to join WhatsApp community. And also I request to you, please add your friends in my WhatsApp community, okay. So this will motivate me to create content, more content like this. Thank you. And in this, if you get this account, you can refer your friends, okay. You can refer your 4 friends, and every account can refer 4 more accounts. Mean one account, using one account you can create 4 more accounts. That's the best thing, okay. So if you need account, 1 month account, you can contact me on my WhatsApp.